Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make this amazing little dish. It is my grilled Herby lamb chops with a nice, quick and easy salsa verde. Alright, let's get on with it. First thing we're going to do is make up our sauce and salsa verde all in one go. So I've got a nice big handful of parsley, a nice big handful of fresh coriander, and I'm going to put in a few mint leaves as well into that. So just simply put all of that into a blender. We're going to add in a good couple of tablespoons worth of capers. You can use baby capers or the larger ones, a good squeeze of garlic paste or 2 cloves of garlic. I'm also going to add in a bit of basil paste, around about 2 to 3 teaspoons worth of that in there. You can use fresh basil if you want. A good glug of olive oil, around about nearly a cup's worth, that can go straight in, and around about half of that again of red wine vinegar. Good squeeze of lemon juice, around about half a lemon's worth, can go straight in. There goes my mint, straight in just like that. Very, very simple. I recommend you use a blender for this. It will make it a lot easier to do, and you can make a good quantity. We're simply just going to pulse that down just like I'm doing right there, and I'm going to remove half of that salsa verde mix. Right, we're going to use that a little bit later on. I'm going to add in a little bit Dijon mustard, a little bit more garlic paste, and that first batch that we did make, we did have a tablespoon's worth of Dijon mustard in that as well. So I'm sorry if I didn't mention that. Good sprinkle of salt. Now this is going to end up being our marinade. More freshly ground black pepper, that goes straight in like that, and give that another quick couple of pulses. Just get everything combined, and we'll be able to use this as a really nice herby marinade for our lamb chops. And I love a good lamb chop. Okay, so these are a 4/4 chop. Not my preferred cut, but they still taste really good. They don't seem to have as much fat as other cuts. Right, simply put those into a tray so we can marinate this for around about an hour, maybe 2 hours. Pour that green goop, our marinade, straight over the top. Try and get as much out of that blender as you possibly can. Stir those lamb chops around and around and get that flavour right in there. Oh, and if you haven't tried using herbs like this before with a barbecued meat, or especially a grilled lamb, you don't know what you're missing. It just works. You don't even need the salsa verde, to be honest with you, but it gives you another depth. 2 hours later, I've got my barbecue on, or my grill on, and all we're simply going to do is cook these. I kid you not, for the size of these, I'm only going to cook these for about 3 minutes per side maximum. We still want a little bit of a blush colour on the inside. So there we go, just get them a little bit brown, give them a turn, and you can already see that marinade starting to char up. Okay, very, very quick, very, very simple. Just be careful, they will give a lot of fat out, but it is worth it. Serve those up with your preferred choice of side. We're just going to put this on a little bit of whipped potato, just like that. A little bit of your salsa verde straight over the top, just like that. It's going to give you a nice, fresh taste of spring, really. Serve it up with a few barbecued onions as well. How easy was that? How quick was that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, we're coming into summer here in Australia. If you want to learn new barbecue ideas, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to these mad herby lamb chops with my salsa verde, and I will catch you next time. Bye!